Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's now 4:45 p.m. in the evening. Starting to get dark really early because winter is coming. Just left work, guys. Just walking towards my car. I parked a couple distance from the office today, so taking you guys towards the car, guys. Show you guys what Grande Prairie is looking like this evening. It's now Monday evening, by the way. Most persons are just getting off work. What's this in the road? Most persons are just getting past work, guys. Getting off work, sorry. Taking a shortcut through the back alley. The parking lot was really full this morning, so I had to park a couple distance away from the office. Whew, so windy. The temperature is now -5 degrees. So windy, guys, and cold. Guys, it is so cold outside. I'm finally in the car. My fingers are starting to freeze. Just getting warmed up a little bit. Going home right now. I don't live too far away from where I work. Like probably 2 minutes if I'm being really slow. I live really close to where I work. I might just go on a little drive though, take you guys around, show you guys what outside is looking like as usual. It's been a little while since I do a drive around with you guys, so I might as well just do that this evening. Oh my son, let's do it, guys. Smash a like on the video if you haven't done so already. Subscribe to the channel, really helps me out, and drop a comment. If you don't know where I'm at, I'm in the beautiful city of Grande Prairie, Alberta. Come along, guys, let's see what outside is looking like. Yes guys, I'm home now. As you can see, I'm in the underground parking lot, which is a lifesaver in the winter time, guys. I'm not even gonna lie. Now I have to pay extra for this, $60 extra, but some places it's included in the rent. But through this apartment here, we have to pay extra for everything, but nonetheless it's worth it. Guys, if you haven't subscribed already to the DiAndersons family, what are you waiting on? What are you waiting on, guys? Every time you hit the subscribe button, it helps out the channel. Every time you hit the like button, it helps out the channel. And every time you drop a comment, it helps out the channel. So support me, man, by doing those very easy and quick things. Literally only takes a second and it's 100% free. Anyways, that's a quick check-in. I'll touch base with you guys very soon. Make sure you stick and stay. We have a lot more information to drop. We have gotten some information that we're eager to share. Remember, I'm not a consultant, but we've been through the process. Alright guys, so I'll see you guys in the next video.